Hey guys, this is Tiffany from the Fetch content creation team, and on this video, I'll be showing you our line-based generic laminate casework. This line-based laminate casework is special because it is designed to help in the conceptual design part of a project. It is a dynamic massing model with different modification options, where you could add or remove top cabinets, backsplashes, and amongst other options that we will go over on this video. This will help with the design layout of a space such as a residential, office, industrial, or any other space you might need this laminate casework. Let's begin. I've already created a mock layout and placed walls and floor and loaded the generic laminate casework family and added them to both walls. Loading this family is super easy, and you could do so by clicking on the Fetch section on the top ribbon. Then on the Fetch button, Fetch app will pop up. You will search for your product. Once you find and select your desired product, click on these three ellipse buttons and click Insert. This will import the family into your project file. Now, let's take a closer look at what modification options we have and how easy it is to modify and customize. By clicking on the family, then heading to the Properties tab, we'll find on the construction section the first option is to enter top type number. And by hovering over it, a small window informing us of what each integer is designated to in regards to its top construction. Currently, it is set to 0, flat top. Now let's change it to 1, slope top, and apply. And we see how it instantly added a slope top. Now, let's bring this up to 2. A rectangular top will be added. And now I'm just going to quickly select this other casework family that we have and adjust its modifications to match the previous. When continuing to explore the construction section, there are modifications that add top cabinets and add backsplashes. And currently, they're checked, but the add left, right, and back overhangs are not. So let's see how we could begin to manipulate these modifications by adding an island to this kitchen. So first we go to the plan view, then to the architecture tab, and click component in the build section. This will open up a line-based laminate casework family, and we will now be able to add it to our layout. Its current placement is place on face. In this case, the floor. Now let's say that you didn't have a floor set up. You could then change its placement to place on work plane, where it will place your element anywhere on your selected work plane. Now, let's place our line-based generic laminate casework into our kitchen. We click and drag. So heading back to the 3D view, we will see that the default family was placed with its top cabinets and a backsplash. But we want this to appear like an island. So what we do is we select it and head to the Properties tab. We will uncheck the top cabinet and the backsplash and apply. Now zooming in, we see that most of the countertop is flush to the bottom cabinets. So we will then again click, head to the Properties tab, and check Add Left, Right, and Back Overhang, then Apply. And this is how we could quickly modify it into an island. If we keep scrolling down the Properties tab, the next section is Materials and Finishes. This family's different elements are completely changeable. That it's soffit material, backsplash, counter, cabinets, both top and bottom, its base material, and toe kick could be quickly modified and changed. By clicking on this section, then hitting the small box with the 3 horizontal dots. Then a material browser will appear, and here you could designate the new material of your choice. The last section is the dimension section. Here you could begin to manipulate the different family element dimensions, from the bottom cabinet depth to the top cabinet height and its actual height. Now, for this particular casework, I will go and change its top cabinet depth from 1'2" to 1'6", its top cabinet height from 2'6" to 3 feet, and its actual height from 7 feet to 8 feet, and then apply. I'll also make the same changes to the other wall cabinets, so they're both equal. Now, let's say that I want to connect both wall laminate caseworks and create a right angle. I'll first go to the plan view, select the family I want to extend, or align it to the wall. So back to the 3D, we'll see that they're now overlapping and a right angle has been created. This island should be a bit wider, so let's select it and go to the Properties tab. On the Dimensions section and the Enter Base Cabinet Depth, we'll change it from 2 feet to 3 feet and hit apply. So to wrap it up, here we see how we are able to modify our families depending on our needs for the space. This dynamic family is perfect for trying out different layouts in a quick and efficient way. With all its preset modification options, it is also extremely easy to customize, giving you more control. So head on over to our Fetch website or download the Fetch app straight to your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.